I thought you were going to introduce some new persons.
As a court, please, my lord. Appearances for the state are still the same.
Yeah, except Madam Mshololo.
As it pleases the court, my lord. My lord, my name is Advocate Munyeki. Munyeki, yes.
Right.
I'm standing in for Advocate Mshololo.
Okay.
Representing accused number 5.
All right.
As it pleases the court.
Thank you. Colonel, is onder eet nog. Thank you. Thank you.
So, court, please, my lord. We are on page 29 of Exhibit 01. The witness is also going to cross-refer to page 41 later in his evidence. Colonel, you may proceed.
Thank you, my lord. First, I want to just go back to yesterday's 2 calls, the one on the 2nd of August and the one on the 15th of October 2014.
Okokuqala ke ngizothanda ukuthi ke siphindele emuva kule ngcingo ezumthuza izolo. Kukhona ke le should i-call yange-2 zika August 2014 kanti nalena ke yange-15 zika October 2014.
Then I want to point out that suspect number 5 is Mutuli Nkani.
Manje ngifuna ukukusho ke lokho ukuthi umsola wesihlanu ungu Ntuli Nkani
with the number 2773 305 9202.
kanti ke inombolo yakhe ke yomakhalekhikhini iyo leyo ke 2773 3059202.
Can you just place his first name on record?
Sifuki Kuli.
Fiso Kule.
I can't. Nkani.
Yes.
Ntuli.
Fiso Kuhle Nkani Ntuli.
Yes.
And we refer to him as suspect 5.
Kanti ke masikhuluma ngaye ke sikhuluma ngo suspect number 5 okanye umsolwa wesihlanu.
According to all the downloads, he using 6 different numbers.
Manje ukuya ke ngama download okanye imininingwane exhumene nama download sebenzise ama number angaba u6.
That I determined by means of the people who knows him, save his name on the contact list.
Lokho ke ngakwazi ukuthi ngikuthole kubantu ke abazana naye abathatha amanambolo wakhe bawabeka okanye bawafaka kuma khala ekhikhini wabo okanye kuma cellphone wabo.
The following numbers belong to him. Suspect number 5.
Manje nawa ke amanambolo wakhe ke wocingo okuwona amanambolo awasebenzisayo
2772399578
kanti ke u2773995787.
The second number is 277914900821.
kanti ke enye nambolo iyo leyo ke i277914900821.
For the next number 27
nambolo elandelayo iyo leyo
27766 427 007.
iyo leyo ke i27766 427
Then the next number
nambolo elandelayo
071 302 9173.
277130299173.
The next number is 27769 735 176.
Ganti ke elandelayo yona ke ithi 27769735 176.
Then I will move to the middle, to that one. Suspect number 5.
Siya kuleyo number lo ke esemaphakathini ekamsola wesihlanu
With number 2773 305 9202.
2773 305 9202.
Did my contact with suspect number 3
kanti ke uye waxhumana nomsolwa wesithathu
with the name of Mtumbisi Katla Mkubi with number 27 72 7668 169.
kanti ke uye waxhumana naye lona uMthobisi Gadla Mncube kanti ke inambolo yakhe ithi 2772 7668 169.
Can you just show it there if you can?
Yes.
Here's a pointer.
That's the number we're talking about now.
Is that the 127? Just repeat it, Mr. Interpreter.
Your Lordship,
Repeat that number. It's 2772766.
that's correct, Your Lordship.
81
That's correct, Your Lordship.
689.
8169.
Wait. 8169.
69.
Okay.
That's
fine.
correct, Your Lordship.
Okay, sorry, because I had an extra digit. Yeah.
Is that one?
Please, Your Lordship.
Just show the contacts there.
The contact with that one. The contact between this one and that one. And you can see they did phone each other. There was communications, incoming and outgoing calls. So they
Between
did
number
contact.
5 and number 2.
Number 3.
Number 3, sorry. Between number 5 and number 3.
That's correct.
Okay.
Shuthi kuyabonakala ke ukuthi umangalelo wesithathu nomangalelo wesihlanu bake baxhumana ngocingo.
I just want to mention, but I will come to that later on in my statement. This was a number given by accused number 3 when he was arrested at the Cleveland case. But I will come to that later
Okay.
during my statement.
Makaboshwa lo mangalelo wesithathu kule case yase Cleveland yona ke inamba lapho nangayo.
Yes, you may proceed.
Then the same accused number 3, he got another number just down. Oh no, but it's just, I just mentioned his ID number there, so he doesn't have another number there.
Ngiyaxolisa ke akanayo enye inambolo. Shuthi lana la embhale khona la you can point it.
That one. I just mentioned his particulars there, his ID number.
Shuthi lapho ke ngiyengenza ke ngabhala ilokhunjani yakhe kuphela i-ID number yakhe kuphela. Hayi ukuthi unenye ilokhunjani.
Okay.
I-cell phone number.
Then I move to this one now.
Manje sesiyakulo yana ke ungale ngokwese esokudla kuleso sithombe.
Sorry, I'm
Yes. Yes, we can
sorry, my
proceed.
lord. I decide in different way.
Oh
now.
yeah, you.
The next number, I retrieved from the download of suspect number 3.
Kanti ke inamba elandelayo ngakwazi ukuthi ngiyithole kwi-download yomsola wesithathu.
The number was saved on his phone as Kelly Khumalo.
Leyo number ke iyasave ke efonini yakhe ngaleli gama elithi Mfoka Khumalo.
But the number also belonged to suspect number 5.
Kanti leyo number lo ke kuyinamba inamba ka msola wesihlanu.
Then I moved to this number down here.
Manje ke ngase ngiyasuka ke ngiza kuleyo number lo ephansi lapha.
That's another number of suspect number 5.
Inamba lo ke futhi nayo yomsola wesihlanu.
With the number 27791 490
Shuthi ke inamba leyo ke ithi 27791 490-821.
Then I move down, straight underneath that number.
Ngase ngiyehla-ke ngiqonde phansi-ke ngaphansi kwaleyo nombolo.
That number of suspect number 5 also got contact with suspect number 2, Bongani Sandiso Mtanzi.
Ke leyo nombolo-ke eka msolwa wesihlanu yaxhumana-ke nomsolwa wesibili ongubongani Sandiso Mtanzi
With the number 27609016890.
manje-ke leyo nombolo eka bongani Sandiso Mtanzi ithi 2760901680.
Then the same number, the one there on top, I move to this number down here now. The suspect number 5 also got contact with suspect number 1, Setembe Sabia alias Musi.
Yabona-ke leyo nombolo-ke le yaxhumana no bongani Mtanzi iphinde futhi yaxhumana no Sithemba Sibiya
With cell phone number 277937900137.
kanti-ke ithi leyo nombolo-ke eka Sithemba Sibiya 27793790137.
Then I move to this number,
Manje-ke sengiyaqhubeka-ke ngiya kuleya nombolo esemaphakathini lapho.
is the number of suspect number 5.
Leyo nombolo-ke yomsolwa wesihlanu.
The number is 27766427007.
Kanti-ke leyo nombolo ithi 27766427007.
This number also linked to suspect number 3. The number of number 3, this one. We're talking about this two now.
Manje sesikhuluma-ke ngalama nombolo lawo amabili lawo. Shuthi-ke iyaxhumana-ke nalona umsolwa wesithathu.
It linked to the number 277276681169.
Yase-ke ixhumana nayo leyo nombolo-ke ethi 277276681169.
Then I'm going to move to this one and that one.
Manje-ke sengizoya-ke kulezi ezingapha-ke kwesinqele lapho kuleso sithombe lezi ziwu-2.
The suspect number 5 cell phone number is this one there. I'm going to read now. It's 2776735176176.
Kanti-ke yona-ke ithi 27769735176.
That number, and then I'm going to move to this number.
Sengizophuma-ke ngiye kuleyana-ke ekhonjwe khona laphana-ke kulesa sithombe.
This number also belonged to suspect number 1.
Kanti-ke yona leyo nombolo yommangalelwa okanye umsolwa wokuqala
With the number 277248200045.
le nombolo lena-ke ithi 277248200045.
My Lord, then I think we can move to page number 41.
Sesingaqhubeka-ke
41.
41.
siye ku page 41.
It's just a repeat of what I just did, just discussed.
I hear you.
Okay. It's contact between Kelly Khumalo with number 2782704435.
Kanti-ke ukuxhumana-ke okwasetshenziswa uye lona-ke okanye kusetshenziswa-ke kule phone le phone number ka Kelly Khumalo ethi 2782 704 4358.
So my lord, now we need the password. Password. Sorry for that. Contact with suspect number 5 with number 2773059202.
Waxhumana ke nalo umsolo wakhe wesihlanu, number yakhona ke ethi 2773 305 9202.
Then my next bullet, communication between suspect number 5 with cell phone number. So cell phone number 2773 305 9202.
Kanti ke kube nokhulumisana kube khona ke okanye uxhumana phakathi kwale number lo ke ethi 2773 305 9202.
Yes. Communication with suspect number 3.
Kanti ke kube ilokhunjani lapho ke ukuxhumana no umsola wesithathu
With cell phone number 27727668169.
kanti cell number yakhe ke yayithi 2772 7668169.
Then my next bullet, communication between suspect number 3 with number 27726868169 with suspect number 5 with cell phone number 277914908821.
Kanti ke kube nokuxhumana ke phakathi kwale number lo 2772 7668169 2772 7668169. Kanti yaxhumana ke nomsolo wesihlanu we number leyo ethi 2779 149 0821.
Yes.
Then our next bullet,
Just before you proceed, Colonel, the person that whose number appears as 079-149-0821, Mabungu Ntuli, you link him to accused number 5. Can you just explain?
that is during the downloads, we identified it as his number.
Shuthi ke leyo number lo ke sikwazile ukuthi siyibone njenge number lo ekamangalelwa wesihlanu kanye yebo ummangalelwa wesihlanu yona le esithi i 2779-149-0821.
We must keep in mind that it's the way, if you save a person's number in a different way than the way you know it's him, you can save it, but the investigation team did follow up, it's the same person.
Yabona ke umuntu kumele akwazi lokho ukuthi inumber ingasaveka mhlambe uyisave efonini yakho ngendlela uyisave ngakhona ke, kodwa laba abaphenyayo bayokwazi ukuqonda ngqo ukuthi kahle kahle le cell phone number ekabani.
Then the next bullet, communication between suspect number 5 27791490821 with suspect number 2 27609016890.
Kwaba nokuxhumana okuba khona ke phakathi kwale number lena ke 277914900821 nomsola wesibini nge number le ethi 27609016890.
The last bullet, communication between suspect number 5, 27769, 735176 and suspect number 1, 277248, 20045.
Kanti ngoba nokuxhumana okuba khona ke phakathi ko umsola wesihlanu ngale nombolo ethi 27769 735 176 xhumana ke naye lo umsola wokuqala ngale nombolo ethi 27727 724 820045.
Now we go back to page 29.
Manje ke sesibuyela ku page 29.
Maybe just before you proceed, given this picture, is there an indication as to who the central figure is, who the central person is?
It's not possible to determine. I can just determine that the suspects in front of the court knows each other. They did talk to each other. But if you look at suspect number 5 and suspect number 3, they did speak to each other. So I will say that's going to be, according to my opinion, the main people.
Abantu ke okuyibona bona ke esingathi ke mhlambe lokuphenyo labenza kakhulu phezu kwabo. Mina ke okuya ngendlela engibona ngakhona okanye ngendlela ke engicabanga ngakhona singathi umsola wesihlanu nomsola wesithathu ibona ke abantu ukuthi sibheke phezulu kwabo kakhulu ngoba phela kube nokuxhumana kanti kuyaqhubeka uyasho ukuthi into ekhona kuyona iqiniso nje ukuthi labantu baye baxhumana ngeingcingo hayi kangako ke ukuthi singaze sithi bayazana kodwa ke lokho kuxhumana ngeingcingo kwaba khona kulabo bantu ke kusetshenziswa lawo manambolo esikhulunywe ngawo.
Yes, you may proceed.
Okay, the next number, we're going to move to number 27729382498. The number also belongs to Kelly Khumalo.
Enye nambolo esiqhubeka ngayo ile nambolo ethi 27729382498 kanti ke kuyinambolo kaKelly lena Kelly Khumalo.
And just to refresh our minds, which number is this?
It belongs to Kelly Khumalo.
Yes.
I identify it by via of Kelly of Truecaller, where she registered as Kelly Khumalo bookings. She also on the 205 we identify that she did phone friends, family, and Senzo herself, and that is the phone which was reported stolen during the crimes from the crime scene.
Manje le nambolo lena ke yatholakala nge-Truecaller ithi ke inambolo kaLukhunjani ka Kelly Khumalo bookings kanti ke lapho ke ebekwazi ukuthi exhumane nabangani kanye noSenzo umufi.
Then the following I determined from the section 205 of this number.
Manje ke lokho kulandelayo ngakuthola ke ukuqhamuka lapha ku section 205 ngalo nambolo
Of the stolen phone.
kanti kwakuyi ifone eyayintshontshiwe.
The last phone call made from this handset number was on the 25th of October, the night before, at 21:15:28.
Kanti ke kwenzwa i-call lapho kuleyo cell phone eyokugcina yenziwa nge-25 zika October 2014 usuku nje phambi kosuku lesigameko.
And the call was to the number 278345713330.
Kanti ke leyo nambolo ke yafonela le nambolo ethi 27834571330.
Yes, it's fine. You don't need to mention the other party.
Okay. Then the last calls received was on the day of the crime.
Kanti ke i-call yokugcina eyatholakala okanye yangena ngalolo suku ke le sigameko.
At 08:52:60, she received a call from, it seems to me, a family member of Senzo.
Manje ke ngaleso sikhathi 8:52:16 seconds wase ke uthola i-call eqhamuka ke kubuka ngazothi ke omnye welunga ke lakwa Meyiwa.
Then at 13:26:58, the same day, the 26th, she received a call from Senzo, in which they talked 20 seconds.
Khona ngalolo suku ke 13:26:58 uthola ke i-call eqhamuka kuSenzo balelana Senzo 20 seconds futhi wahlala lapho ke kuleyo call emizuzwana ewu-20. Number lo yakhona yiyo leyo ethi 27 27. Are you proceeding with it?
No, I think said we don't have to mention that. Okay, then the next bullet at 13:57:18 on the 26th, she received another call on which they're talking 86 seconds on.
Ganti ke 26 October 2014, 13:57:18 seconds. Wathola ke olunye ucingo shuthi ke wase uyakhuluma lapho kuleyo phone imizuzwana ewu-86.
Then 14:52:17 on the 26th, she received another call and they talks 107 seconds.
Ganti ke ngalo lona lo suku ngalesikhathi ke esithi 14:32:17 wase ke uthola ke enye call wahlala kuleyo call imizuzwana ewu-107 manyamazi 107 seconds.
Then at 14:40:16 seconds, she received another call on the 26th.
Ganti ke nge-26 khona lapho nge-26 October 2014 ngaleso sikhathi esithi 14:40:16 wasuthola ke enye call.
Then I just want to make a mention that on the 26th, they didn't make any call, as well on the 27, but on the 27, the phone call could be in our position, the police position.
Azange ake afoneke nge-26 October nange-27 October. Kanti ke nge-27 October kunokwenzeka ukuthi ifoni yakhe iyayisemaphoyiseni ke manje.
Then we go to the next paragraph, paragraph 5.
Siya ku paragraph 5 manje.
My intention is here to prove to the court the SIM swap which was done on Senzo's phone after the incident.
Manje ke injongo yami okanye inhloso yami ukubonisa inkantolo ukuthi kuyokwaba ke nalento ebizwa i-SIM swap okanye ukushintshwa ke kwelokhu njani ke kwe-SIM card kule phone eka Senzo emva kwesigameko.
You see down here, I mentioned the number of Senzo. It's a number 277143795551. That's the number of Senzo Meyiwa.
Yabona lapha phansi ke kunenombolo evelelayo lapho yokugcina nje lapho phansi kuleyo diagram ethi 277143795551 nombolo ka Senzo Meyiwa le.
Then we go here to the handset number, the IMEI number like we mentioned yesterday. The number is 35200065431102. That's the handset at the crime scene.
Ganti ke le phone yatholaka khona laphana ke endaweni yesigameko i-IMEI number yakhona 35202 006 543
Then we go to the SIM card number of this phone, which belonged to the original phone of Senzo. It's 65501 924 511 2349.
Manje siyake kule sim card number okuyiyona ke kumele le cellphone ka Senzo. It is 6550 1924 511 2349.
Then I want to show to the court, my lord, he at 22:11:55, he did receive a call from the number 2782-761-2137 while the phone was at the clinic for Slurus.
Kanti ke okunye engithanda ukubonisa inkantolo ukuthi wathola ke i-call ngaleso sikhathi isikhathi lesi esithi 22:11:55 seconds. Kanti ke senze ukuthi nge-26 ka-October 2014 iqhamuka kuleya number lo ke ethi 2782 761 2137 ngaleso sikhathi ube khona laphana e-clinics for Slores.
Is it possible to say which base station does this tower serve?
The tower served the clinic for Slurus, 3G clinic for Slurus, Mike November 1 SGS.
Kanti ke i-tower leyo inamba lenikezwe yona ke igama elinikezwe leyo tower ekwazile ke ukuthi ixhumanise ke lamanambolo lawa ke okanye lama call lawa.
And my lord, I did
3G clinics for Slores MN1 SGS.
Maybe differently put, do we know which tower serves, which base station serves Botsilong Hospital?
That's correct. My lord, I did visit the scene of the hospital, the premises. The tower is at the premises of the hospital.
Manje ke leyo tower ke yona le ilaphayana ngaphakathi kwegceke lesibhedlela.
So what is the picture that is being painted regarding the cell phone of the deceased?
The cell phone was at the hospital with him.
Ngamanye amazwi ke umfanekiso ke odolekayo lana ukuthi i-cell phone lena ibilaphayana esibhedlela nomufi njengoba ke i-tower le kuyiyona ebonisayo ukuthi waxhumana nalo muntu omfonele esesibhedlela. Futhi naye ke ube sesibhedlela ifoni sesibhedlela.
Then the next morning, on the 27th October 2014, at 08:59:23,
Ngelanga elilandelayo ke ekseni 27 October 2014 8:59:23 seconds.
SMS was sent to the handset and the SIM card.
Kune SMS yangena ke kuleyo lokhonjani cell phone leyo ngamanye amazwi nakuleyo SIM card yaleyo cell phone.
That's the same handset I mentioned at the crime scene with serial number, the IMEI number 3520006543
Iyona le cell phone number okanye iyona le cell phone engikhulume ngayo ukuthi ile cell phone yatholakala khona lapha endaweni yesigameko ene IMEI number 83520006543
And the SIM card number linked to that handset at that stage was the same one at the crime scene, 65501-924-511-2349.
Kanti ke SIM card yakhona ke iyayiloko nayo iqhumeka nale cell phone yatholakala khona lapha endaweni yesigameko ithi iSIM card number yakhona ithi 6550 1924 511 2349.
I just want to point out to the court, my lord, that here you've got no number as well as undefined. So that indicates to me that the phone is possibly off. Yes.